Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat veggie bean sprouts and haksai, Chinese cabbage, and kikurage, and veg with yakisoba. Yakisoba noodle I make it. It's thin sliced pork. So have to make basic oil. Hot chili pepper and 2 slices of ginger and garlic. So seasoning is pepper and shirodashi, white soy sauce, and this one is shokoshu, Chinese sake, good flavor. Also I have to need negi oil, homemade one, long leaf flavored oil. Okay, make so easy. I'm just show you. Okay. So I'm using 2 frying pan. So one of saute noodle, one of saute veggie and meat. Okay. Garlic, ginger, and hot chili pepper. Negi oil. Thai cabbage, kikurage, mushroom, noodle like this. Bean sprouts. I make a big portion, about serving about 4 dish. Shokoshu. Pepper. White soy sauce, 白だし。 So a little bit veggie juice coming out. Let me try taste. Still good texture. Was quite good. Okay, here's the onion. Use a touch with water using fry pan edge like this, making like sticky sauce. High flame. Almost last part. Let me try taste a little bit. Yes. Perfect. Down. Okay, let's start to eat yakisoba. So good. The noodle is like a little bit burning. So good texture. Crunchy outside, inside is so soft. Many veggie. Veggie is meat, bean sprouts and hakusai, Chinese cabbage together. So I using starch with water mixed together, sticky sauce. So good flavor. Mix up everything. Good combination. I'm just keeping for the tomorrow. Just serving on top of ramen or steamed rice. Good. So today I just got many veggie. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time. Thank you. Have a good day.